Hello everybody, I just thought I'd show you what's going on in Santa Cruz County, and the specific town I'm in is Watsonville, and the virus will start reactivating tomorrow at 8 a.m. But I just found something interesting yesterday. Now, Watsonville, the main income is food. Strawberries is a huge business. It's a salad bowl. I mean, Anyway, oh, and also the home to Martinelli's apple juice, which I'm sure a few of you are familiar with. But I just wanted to point something out real quick, just because I just find it interesting. But on Tuesday, the 31st, the virus will go away for a while to celebrate Cesar Chavez Day. So that's kind of interesting. I love how it's selective. I also like how the mass shootings have sure gone away. What a cure. Have a great day, everybody.